She's just chilling. She's trying out her new boat. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Where are you? There you are. There you are. I had to vacuum it. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. She likes it. You like it, Fluffy? You like your new purple boat? Huh? You like your new purple boat? Yeah, you do. I see you do. Hey, Fluffy. Hey, big girl.